барлықтарыңызға Сейшелыдан ассалаумағалейкум. Қазір турға шығайын деп жатырмық. Өте бір қызықты тур болайын деп тұр. Кино ма? Кино. Ажақ. Сөз жоқ.
The big ones are the backfish, eh? Big ones, you can also call it emperor butterfly. They are the big ones.
Аватар фильмінде жүрген сияқты. He went to church today. Sunday. 90% of the people are Christian. Every Sunday church.
French lady asked me a very good question. Which one is to the sexual characteristics? Okay. Okay, so what happens? We believe that the giant tortoise came from the east to the closest island, which is Agabra. And you float and you exhale, you sink. Okay, but they have perfect sense of smell. Okay, so they will know when